up in lights, he just wants to be heard. Whether it's the beat or the mic, he feels so unlike everybody else, alone. In spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist. Porcupine, he's a prick, he's a cockpit type. Women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
Never settle for less. What's the point in trying if you ain't trying your best? They wanna see me 6 feet under, but I'm watching my steps. Now everybody watching me like Jay-Z watches the Nets. Don't see myself on a skateboard, but I stay on my grind, aiming for the top, and I won't stop till I cross that finish line. I see it like the deaf, I listen like the blind. So if I can't hear them scheming, I still see the signs. I never count the days, I make the days count. They wanna take my crown, so I swim when they wanna see me drown. Smile when they wanna see me frown, stand up when they wanna see me down. New and improved attitude, you don't wanna see me now. They said I can't do it, but I did it. Now they love me all over the world, cause they say that my style is so prolific. If I said it, I live it. The Black Scott, diss it. Fresh haircut and a brand new suit, lift up the trophy and kiss it.
Whenever you feel like letting go, you got your back against the wall. Hold on, just hold on, cause you're gonna take a few long blows. And I know you feel those broken ones. But hold on, just hold on, cause you are undefeatable. You are undefeatable.
Paparazzi, I'm going in tonight. And if anybody wanna stop me, you're gonna need some kryptonite. I don't wanna sound impolite, but but I've been sitting there waiting my turn. So if you still don't know what a boy, better know, better watch and learn. I let my left foot rest on the side, only my right foot's touching the pedal. Losing is not an option, so I know that I gotta come with something special. I'm a winner, JME on my neck, that's my gold medal. I was underground, now it's time to take this shit to another level. I never count the days, I make the days count. They wanna take my crown, so I swim when they wanna see me drown. Smile when they wanna see me frown, stand up when they wanna see me down. New and improved attitude, you don't wanna see me now. I got nothing to prove. I sit back looking at the game from a bird's eye view, then I make my move. Never take my foot off the gas, I'ma go hard till I blow that fuse. Cause the moment you feel like giving up, that's the moment you lose.
Whenever you feel like